Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on XIAOMI Leica Leitzphone. So first, check your cable and charger for damage and compatibility. Then flip your phone and right in the bottom here you have the charging port. Just clean it with non-metallic tools like Q-tips, wooden sticks or compressed air. You can test with another fast charger or outlet, and in the settings type in update, and we should have system update, and if you have any just install it right here. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.